What is fuzzy set? What is a classical set? In classical set theory, an element either belongs 1 or does not belong 0 to a set. For example, set A, all people above 18 years, age 17, not in the set, membership will be 0. Age 20 in set membership will be 1. Next topic we will discuss, that is what is the fuzzy set. In fuzzy sets theory, an element's membership is not just 0 or 1 but can be any value between 0 and 1. Example, set A, young people's age 15 membership, we will give 0.2, age 25 membership 0.9, age 35 membership 0.6, age 15 membership 0.1. This means young is gradual concept, not black and white. That's what fuzzy set allow. Next topic we will discuss under the fuzzy set. The topic is fuzzy logic. What is fuzzy logics? In Boolean logic, we will use two values, that is true 1 and false 0. In fuzzy logics, truth value can be anything between 0 and 1, like 0.3, 0.7, etc. Example, statement, today is cold. Boolean logic, yes or no. Fuzzy logic will be the any value between 0 and 1. That is, if we show that the very cold, we will show the high value that is near to the 1, that is 0.9, and slightly cold will be 0.4. Not cold is minimum value, that is 0.1. Application of fuzzy logics we will use in the many applications, that is air conditioners, washing machines, automata, automatic car, robotics, medical diagnosis, artificial intelligence. In under the fuzzy sets we will discuss the third points, that is fuzzy system. What is fuzzy system? A system that process input using fuzzy logics to give intelligent output. Example, input temperature slightly hot, fuzzy value will be the mid value, that is 0.6. Rule, if the temperature is slightly hot, then cooling will be medium. These rules are written using fuzzy logics. The fourth topic is complete list of fuzzy terms. Fuzzy sets membership range between 0 and 1. Fuzzy logics is the reasoning that work between 0 and 1. And the next is membership function define how much an input belong to a fuzzy sets. Fuzzy rules, if then rules using fuzzy terms. The next is fuzzification. Fuzzifications means converting crisp input to fuzzy values. The next is defuzzification, means the opposite of fuzzification, converting fuzzy values to a crisp value. Fuzzy in complete using the fuzzy logics. That is where it is used. The use its artificial intelligence, control system, data mining, pattern recognition, robotics, etc.